So now on to the fun stuff. So we have the same Facebook page here, and look at this. This ad has over 1 million views. Incredible. So you can be rest assured that this made them a lot of money. Want to watch with me? Let's do it. Now, there's not really any real audio to this. It's just some rather obnoxious music. So I'm just going to talk over it. All right. So that's good. They're showing the products in use, showing what the benefits are. Got some text there. Okay. A little bit of a weird red X there. Kind of cool, I guess. Once again, showing the product in use. And this is very important when you're creating your video ads. You need to show the functionality. Look at that. They're creating a scenario, a story, if you will, behind that product, what its benefits are. Let's see this one. Okay. So, this is a phone mount. Very useful. Once again, they're showing it in use. Very effective. All right, so I think you get the point. This just keeps on going on. Now, look at this. It's the top 5 motorcycle products. That leads me to believe that this is actually a retargeting ad. Now, I could be wrong. They could just be showcasing their best-selling products. But I'm more inclined to believe that it's retargeting for people that had already viewed ads of those 5 products. Now, you might be thinking, okay, Caleb, so they had one ad that did really well, but that's probably all they've done, right? Wrong. Let's go over here. Same Facebook page. Look at this. Instead of 1 million, now they have 3.6 million for this phone mount. And it's exactly what I was saying. They had this ad before. You can see the last one was 11 months ago. This one's a year ago. So they had the phone mount ad. They saw that it did massively well. And then they created retargeting for it in the previous ad that I showed you. This is what you need to do. There's a whole process from going from testing to creating your ads that are going to be able to scale to retargeting those winners. Here's something interesting. So this one has 1 million views, but look at the thumbnail. There's no thumbnail at all. And also, look at this right here. They're using their URL shortener, but there's no custom URL. This is very easy to make. This is the type of stuff that my agency does not overlook. And this is the type of stuff that you can't overlook either when you're creating your ads. Now, I wanted to go back. I actually wanted to go to their Facebook page to show you something. Now, in my previous video, I said that it doesn't really matter that they're not getting good engagement because their ads are performing so well. I guess I kind of lied. It does matter because their store could be way more successful if they had a good community around their page. I'm just saying that it's not insignificant just because they're making so much. But yeah, this is why it's very important to regularly update your page and look at adding value. Look at this. They haven't posted anything to their page since December 13th. It's already December 21st. These are the type of stuff that you cannot overlook. Now, let's just check one more thing. Let's see what ads are running right now. No ads to show. So either they're really not running ads or they're finding a way to block it. Maybe they're running their ads from another Facebook page. But yeah, make sure you always look into that whenever you're researching a competitor. And like I've said before, I'll say it again. Competitive research is crucial. You will not be successful if you are not doing extensive competitive research. You can't just know yourself in your store. You have to know your competitors. You have to be able to improve what they're doing. You have to know what they're doing right and implement that. You have to know what they're doing wrong so that you can get a leg up on them. All this is so important. But yeah, that's it for this one. Just a short little video. Wanted to show you how successful this page is with their Facebook marketing.